Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Hey, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Right now. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss up.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in no pride, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cup a flight and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job don't supposed to be working my nerves. Clock out at 4. Oh no, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls the world.